This is an instructional video on the techniques of mist netting avian species conducted by students of Equatorial Studies in tropical Borneo. Mist nets are a useful and non-harmful tool for capturing small birds. Birds fly into the almost transparent net and remain suspended in a pocket formed by the fine threads. Always check state and federal laws for mist netting in your local area before replicating this procedure. The equipment needed for assembly includes poles, mist nets, guide ropes, pegs, cloth bags, and data sheet. For the processing of captured birds, you need binoculars and a bird field guide, ruler, personal balance, calipers, and scissors. The site should be selected where birds are relatively abundant and direct sunlight is scarce to avoid net detection. 2 people spread the mist net across the entire length, with 2 poles situated at each end. 1 person untangles the net and holds it off the ground to avoid tears and caught debris. Each loop in the net should be threaded on the pole from bottom to top, and top loop is secured to the pole. If 2 mist nets are used, both threads will be looped in an alternating sequence. The poles are then erected in unison. 2 guide ropes must then be attached to the outer poles and staked into the ground at a 45-degree angle. The center pole guide ropes are staked at a 90-degree angle. The observers will stand an appropriate distance away from the mist net and await the first catch. When a bird is caught, it must be removed from the net on the same side to which it flew in. If the bird is badly entangled, a few threads may be cut to release it. The bird is restrained in a bander's grip, with the head protruding between the index and middle finger and body restrained in a prone position in the hand. Diagnostic features are used to identify the bird. Place the bird in a cloth bag and weigh with a personal balance. Then weigh the empty bag for the final bird weight. The bill length is measured from the exposed culmen to the tip of beak with the calipers. Wing length is measured from the elbow to the tip of the longest primary feather with a ruler. The next step is determining the age of the bird using a field guide for key features, as well as sex by observing the presence of a protruding cloaca for males and absence in females. The bird should be quickly processed and released to reduce stress and injury. Signs of stress include closed eyes, open beak, limp body, and protruding tongue. After the mist netting session, disassemble the nets in the reverse order as were assembled, but ensure neat folding and storage. Happy mist netting!